Good afternoon, students. How are you all? Today we will learn second chapter, that is the cool, temperate or the taiga climate. Students, have you ever seen conifer forest? Not one or two trees, but miles and miles of trees. All, can you tell what kind of climate is there and the location? Yes, all this we will learn today in this lesson. First, we will learn about the location of this region. The first topic we will discuss about location of the region, that the taiga is a forest of the cold subarctic region. The subarctic is an area of the northern hemisphere that lies just south of the Arctic Circle. In the slides, we can see the maroon shade portion shows that the region lies across North America, North Europe and Asia. The taiga is the largest biome. Here we can see conifer forest, evergreen trees with a needle shape. Taiga is located between 50-degree latitude north and the Arctic Circle. In this region, they receive sunshine for day in the summer because the taiga is near the top of the world. Next slide, we will discuss about the climate of this region. The region experiences a long, bitterly cold wind and a cool and very cool, short summer. In winter, the temperature falls below freezing point and there is heavy snowfall. In summer, there are long hours of daylight, but the sunlight has no warmth. In summer, there are long hours. They have a long days, but the sunlight is not so harsh. And the range of rainfall is 40 centimeter near the coast to 20 centimeter interior. Vegetation. Conifer trees are found in this region as they are best adapted to survive the cold here. The trees are cone-shaped. These trees have short, sloping branches and leaves are needle-shaped. It is small, thick or leathery so that they can survive from wind and snow. Some of these trees that grow in this region are fir, spruce, pine and larch. All of the trees look somewhat same. The structure of the leaves are somewhat same. Human occupation. When we move towards the human occupation of this region, of the cold region, the main occupation is lumbering, mining and fishing. Trees are usually cut down during winter. The people who cut down trees and convey them the timber to factories are called lumberjacks. Wildlife. Animals in this region have thick fur to survive the cold. The fur-bearing animals are the muskrat, mink, ermia, silver fox. Fur trapping is another occupation in the region. The animals are trapped in winter when their fur is thickest. A large number of animals are being killed for their fur. Fur is used to make very expensive coat and caps. Hope students, you have understand the chapter. We have studied about the location. It falls near the across North America, North Europe and Asia. When we move towards the climate, we can see it is a very cold climate, and summers they are having a long day, but the sunlight is not so harsh. And in winter, sometimes it is so cold that it always falls below the freezing point. When we move towards the vegetation, here we can see similarly same kind of trees which have the cone shape, and this, they are in the sloping branches. We can see leaves, they are needle shapes and are very small and leathery. When we move towards the human occupation, the main occupation we can see is lumbering, mining and fishing. Here people cut the trees and they transfer them to the factories, and those persons are known as lumberjacks. When we talk about wildlife, here we can see some animals like muskrat, mink, ermine, silver fox, and therefore are very thick so that they can survive very easily in this cold region. And the fur of these animals are used to make coat, caps, jacket, etc. Hope students, the chapter is clear to you all.